Hey guys, it's Liam from R.V.C. Tech. Today, we're going to talk about the Nothing Phone 1, one of the most unique and talked about smartphones when it launched. But now that we're in 2025, is it still worth getting? Let's dive in and break it down. Starting with design, the Nothing Phone 1 still stands out in 2025. It's got that eye-catching transparent back with the LED glyph interface, which is unlike anything else on the market. If you're someone who loves unique and minimalist designs, this phone still holds up really well. Plus, the aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass front and back give it a premium feel. However, in 2025, newer phones are offering even sleeker designs with fewer bezels and faster in-display fingerprint sensors. So, while it still looks fresh, it might feel a little dated when compared to some of the cutting-edge designs out there. The 6.55-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate is definitely a highlight. The colors are vibrant, and the smoothness of the 120Hz is perfect for scrolling, gaming, and consuming media. Even by 2025 standards, this display competes with most mid-range smartphones. However, some users might prefer the newer AMOLED panels that offer better brightness and dynamic range, especially in direct sunlight. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 1 is powered by the Snapdragon 778G+, a solid chipset for daily tasks, multitasking, and even gaming. It handles everything from social media to mid-level gaming without breaking a sweat. But here's the thing. In 2025, we've got more powerful processors available, like the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which offer faster performance and better efficiency. So, while the performance of the Nothing Phone 1 is still good, if you're a heavy user or gamer, you might want to consider something with a bit more power. When it comes to the camera setup, the Nothing Phone 1 features a dual 50-megapixel camera system. The main sensor performs well in good lighting, producing sharp and detailed photos. The ultra-wide lens is also decent, offering a fun perspective for landscape shots. But in 2025, many mid-range phones have adopted triple or even quad camera setups with dedicated telephoto and macro lenses. So, while the Nothing Phone 1's camera is still solid, it may not compete with the latest phones when it comes to versatility, low light performance, and advanced AI features. The 4,500 mAh battery is capable of getting you through a full day of use, especially with moderate usage. It supports 33-watt fast charging, which is okay, but nothing groundbreaking compared to the 65-watt or even 100-watt fast charging that are available. Another thing to note is that it offers wireless charging, which is still a bonus for a mid-range device. But if fast charging is a priority, newer phones in 2025 might have the upper hand. Nothing has done a good job with software updates, and the Nothing OS offers a clean, near-stock Android experience. But in 2025, software updates become a key issue. If Nothing stops offering major updates or security patches soon, this could affect the phone's longevity. Always check how long the manufacturer is committing to updates before making your decision. So, is the Nothing Phone 1 worth buying in 2025? It really depends on what you're looking for. If you value unique design, a solid display, and decent performance, this phone can still serve you well. But if you're after the latest and greatest features like top-tier cameras, faster processors, or ultra-fast charging, you might want to explore newer options. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment box below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.